Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? I hope you're all doing great because in this video, I will be unboxing these toys that I bought from the Disney Store Mall of Asia. It's so big, guys. Obviously, as you can see on my shirt, I'm a huge fan of Toy Story. So these toys are all Toy Story toys. Growing up, I have been a huge fan of Toy Story. And right now that I am already able to buy it for myself, so here it is. Without any further ado, let's start with this Woody and Buzz Funko Pop. Ta-da! Look at that! My god, it's so pretty. Before, parang sa mga figurines lang na nilalagay on top of the birthday cake ko lang ito nakikita. Right now, oh my god, it's so nice. It's a vinyl figure. We have Woody and Buzz because these two are like the partners talaga. So happy. They're like sitting sa isang log or sa bench, wooden bench. So here it is. So pretty, oy. Oh, so pretty, oh. That's Woody. Hi, Woody. Say hi to them. Then we have Buzz Lightyear. Well lang, it's good to be displayed lang. I'll be displaying this probably here in my room. Oh, naro-rotate pala yung heads nila. Oh, look at that. Oh. Are they talking? No, we're not friends. Sabi nila. Oh, this is cute. Yun lang, walang masyadong ganap dito, no? Because parang figures lang siya, vinyl figures. Good for display lang talaga to. But I'm so happy. This is my first Funko Pop na meron ako. And it's Toy Story. Of course, syempre. Ooh. Next up, by the way, dalawa lang yung binili ko doon because yun lang yung kaya sa budget natin. And it was out of the plan because I went to Manila to watch Dear Evan Hansen Theater. And then, out of nowhere, I decided to go to the Disney Store. Kaya lang, gusto ko lang i-check kung meron bang Toy Story. And, guys, ito talaga yung pinaka nabudol ako sa lahat. Oh my god, to infinity and beyond. This is actually the actual Buzz Lightyear na nakikita natin sa Toy Story movies. I'm so happy that finally, like after 29 years of existence, I have this now. Like meron na akong ganito. The best toy ever? Space Ranger ever? Now, let's try to unbox this. Medyo mahirap siya kasi malaki siya, guys, and mabigat siya. Let me show you and let me prove it to you kung ano yung nakikita natin sa movie. Ito din yun. Ano yung nagagawa niya, ano yung mga sinasabi niya doon. Ito din. Daming tape. Ito lang yung secured. I don't know if the kids in this new generation, kilala pa ba nila to sila Buzz Lightyear tsaka si Woody Buzz or yung Toy Story. I don't know if they watch Toy Story pa ba. Pero like if you're batang 90s, I grew up watching this and childhood dream ko talaga na magkaroon ng ganito tsaka si Woody din. Tada! Oh my god! Oh my gosh! So happy. Grabe, ang secured naman ito. Finally! Oh my god. Buzz Lightyear. Diba nakaganyan yan? Pwede pala siyang ma-keep. Oh, diba? Parang nasa movie talaga, diba? And look at this. Sure to fly.
No time to explain. Attack! The slingshot maneuver is all we've got. Full speed ahead. This planet is toxic. Closing oven to conserve oxygen.
It is toxic.
Laser at full power.
Laser and full power. Laser. Laser. Di ba nag-laser din siya sa movie? Tapos ito din. Dito din, nagbubukas din to. This one, nabubuksan din to guys. Ito. Yun, nabubukas din. Same with the movie, di ba? Binubuksan niya to nung first, like sa Toy Story 1, binubuksan niya to talaga. Kasi akala niya nasa space, like wala siya sa Earth, like hindi siya toy. Amazing. Tapos ito din, gagalaw.
To infinity and beyond! Buzz Lightyear, at your service.
Pagbalik ko sa pagkabata. Rotate din na. Tapos ito din. Pati yung paa niya. Oh. It is really the actual toy talaga sa movie. I'm so happy.
To infinity and beyond!
Buzz Lightyear.
It's a secret mission in uncharted space. Let's go!
May kalaban. Ito pala. Nagaganon pala siya. Tama, because in Toy Story 1, di ba para siyang na ano yung kamay niya. Ganon pala siya. So happy. I think I'm so happy with my purchases, no? Napagastos ako. Let's say, kind of impulsive, but no regrets because I'm actually healing my inner child. I grew up like dreaming about having this toy. I was not able to have this when I was a kid, but right now that I'm able to buy it for myself, here it is. Hindi naman siya walang kwenta, di ba? It's just a toy, but it means a lot to me because this symbolizes my childhood. This symbolizes how happy I was when I first watched the movie. And here it is now. I don't have Woody. Hindi ko pa nabili si Woody because when I went to the Disney store, out of stock si Woody. But someday, some other time, probably I can get Woody and magkakaroon na ng partner si Buzz dito. I'm kind of opposite with Andy because Andy first got Woody and then next na si Buzz. But in my case, I got Buzz first and then next na talaga si Woody. Yun lang guys, I think I'm so happy with my purchases. These are just toys, but this means a lot to me. Like super, this means a lot to me talaga, super duper. By the way, I have Woody pala and yung alien. I have them. I have Woody tsaka alien. So this was given to me by one of my high school close friends, si Vince. Thank you Vince for giving me this. He got this from Japan Pad. Katabi ko siya matulog every night. And then I also have this. Si Alien, yung anak ni Mr. and Mrs. Potato Head, one of their kids. Kasi tatlo sila eh. I got this naman from Taiwan when I went to Taiwan November last year. So I got this from their 7-Eleven. Out of nowhere din, di ko alam meron palang ganito sa 7-Eleven nila. And katabi ko din siya matulog every night. Same with Woody. Kompleto na pala. I have a lot of Toy Story stuff. I'm healing my inner child. So happy. Yan lang. So happy. So happy with peace. Boss. The claw. Yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching. I don't know if this is so petty, pero isip bata ba ako? I think I'm not isip bata. I'm just like trying to heal my inner child. Kung alam nyo lang paano yung naging childhood ko, and right now I'm trying to heal what I felt was lacking that time. Right now it's here. Anyways, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video unboxing my Toy Story toys. I hope you like this and I have shared some good vibes to you. Thank you, and always I will always remind you, you got this.